Hello viewers, I hope you are pretty well. Welcome to Healthcare Plus. Today I want to show you about blood sugar formula. I hope you see the video last. Is it works? Has it pros and cons? What is blood sugar formula? Blood sugar formula is an incredible enhancement that brings down glucose dimensions of the people to its normal level. The equation likewise builds the individual's vitality blood sugar level. And also it helps to maintain the level properly throughout life. It helps to lessen the blood sugar after the meal in people with well-controlled type 2 diabetes. How does blood sugar formula work? Blood sugar formula is different from other dietary supplements for diabetics purchased in the store because it is made of natural ingredients. It is believed that Chinese research and people in this torso have no blood sugar. This contains all the necessary, naturally available drugs that are suitable for the elimination of diabetes, increase blood sugar levels and maintain a healthy blood sugar level. It also prevents the accumulation of fat cells in the body, that helping to break down fat cells and helping to lose weight. This prevents even further fat storage and weight gain. The benefits of this supplement are huge and you can see positive results within a few days immediately after use. Ingredients are: Vitamin C contains protective effects against diabetes. Vitamin E improves glycemic control in diabetics. Juniper berries severely decreases blood sugar naturally. White mulberry leaf lowers blood sugar in type 2 diabetes. Watermelon has insulin-like properties to help bring glucose into the cells to create natural energy. The pros of blood sugar formula are: this stabilizes blood sugar levels, including the negative impact of diabetes. It promotes healthy blood sugar and reduces the risk of diabetes and PCOS. And also helps to lose weight by helping to burn body fat. It increases the level of energy and general mood. The supplement includes a 30-day meal plan. The 100% guarantee is delivered if you do not require the required results. The cons of blood sugar formula are: you can only buy it on the official website of the product. This is not in your store. You cannot eat it with alcohol, including a smoker. Controlling the blood sugar level has never been easier. There is no permanent solution to lower blood sugar. But not anymore, because blood sugar formula, which will help to eliminate high blood sugar and help prevent diabetes and other related health problems. It uses a special blend of natural Chinese ingredients to increase their effectiveness in the treatment of blood sugar. It also helps in weight loss, preventing the outflow of fat cells. This supplement is your go-to solution for blood sugar. Get your bottles now. When you say yes to blood sugar formula today, I am also going to give you please blow check link in description. If you want to more about diabetes diet plan, please like, comment and subscribe our channel. Your valuable suggestions help me to make more effective video. Wait until I come back with next video that may be fruitful to you. Thanks for watching.